Hi, my name is Marco from LightObject. Today I'm going to show you how to use fiber laser to cut galvanized steel. The galvanized is, the smoke from galvanized cutting is pretty hassle and pretty bad to your lungs. So that's why I'm wear a N95 mask, all right? And then I have this special laser goggle to protect the laser beam, which is 1064. All right. So let me show you the setup today. And this is the oxygen. To cut galvanized, we use oxygen instead of nitrogen. And this is the sample from the customer. So I'm going to run a test try. And over here, I load the parameter. This is a 3 mm galvanized, and I tried 20 mm with oxygen assist. And we need a pulses. Means the second stage. We need one more stage to cut the hole before we can do the cutting. That's why I have to enable the first stage. Okay, now let's take a look. And ready to go. And I have the control right here, and then enter. Oh, sorry, I forgot something. And for safety, I have to enable the shutter, the laser shutter. And now let's do again. And you can hear the drop, so which is good for the cutting. And this one is for the old one. When the speed is too fast and it didn't cut well. But this is the one we just cut. Oh, it's kind of still hot. Let me get a probe. The magnetic. You can see it's better than the first one, but we still have a little bit slacking, which can be fixed pretty soon. Pretty easy. For fiber laser cutter, the most important thing that you need to do is the parameter, how fast to cut and how much oxygen to put on the cut. All right. So this one, even though I put more oxygen and I crank up the speed from 20 to 25, it shows quite a lot of slacking from behind. All right, from underneath. The top is pretty good, and the side is pretty okay too. And then I dropped the oxygen lower from I would say before was 35 kPa or 350 kPa. No, actually, to 350 kPa to now 200 kPa, and you can see the cut is better. All right, so let me make the real cut again and show it to you. Okay, let's look at the cutting parameter. Click the layer, and as you can tell, I dropped my speed from 25 to 15. And for the air, I need to show you the air. So I need to press the button over here. I can do it when parameter screen is popping up, so I need to close it. This is for safety, and this is one-man operation, so you don't want to have one guy doing a setting and another guy doing the cutting. All right. So I'm going to press the air and see the drop of air pressure. I'm trying to get a better focus. This is the idle pressure, and we don't want to use the idle pressure. We want to use the actual pressure when it's running. So I have to try it. And as you can see, this is 200. Now let's run the cut. All right, I'm ready. You can feel it, you can hear the sound pretty smooth. And it's hot, it's going to be very hot. All right. Oh, looking at it, you see that there's a much less slacking from both sides. And again, this is a galvanized. Galvanized a little bit different than stainless steel and regular mild steel. It's just like it's just like aluminum. So you will never get a perfect slacking free from the cut. All right.